Welcome to this stunning, south-facing luxury villa with a private pool in the sought-after area of Daya Vieja, just 3 minutes from Rojales and San Fulgencio, Alicante. This modern, semi-detached villa offers 3 spacious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with a large underbuild. From the moment you arrive, the private pool creates a true oasis of relaxation right at your doorstep. At the rear, there is 2 large storage rooms. The villa's open-plan layout flows effortlessly from the kitchen into the living area, making it perfect for both entertaining and everyday living, with views of the pool and seating area outside. All bedrooms come with fitted wardrobes for ample storage, and the property features air conditioning throughout to keep you comfortable year-round. From the kitchen area, a hallway leads to the guest bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. From here, another hallway leads to a guest bathroom. Upstairs, a vertical window allows plenty of natural light to flood in, complemented by a modern glass balustrade at the top. From here, you have access to the 2 main bedrooms, both with fitted double wardrobes and a bathroom. At the end of the hallway, a door opens to the front balcony, an amazing space with a retractable sunshade, creating a relaxing seating area with access to the front garden. There is also a large, underbuilt basement area of 70 square meters, perfect for storage or converting into another living area or bedroom. This villa has been tastefully decorated inside and out and is key ready. For more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.